Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Teacher, instructor, e-mentor, RD, and consulting. Teacher, instructor, e-mentor, RD, and consulting. Programming language. Microcontrollers, PIC, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, ARM, Silicon Labs, Espressif, etc. IoT. Wireless, radio frequency, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, etc. Robotics. Automation. Camera and video capture receiver stationary, wheel/tank and underwater vehicle. Unmanned vehicles terrestrial and marine. Machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI. RTOS. eHealth sensors, Biosensor, and Biometric. Research development, RD. Consulting, etc. I am a highly skilled programming language, microcontrollers, IoT, robotics and etc., with over 45 years of experience in various industries. I graduated from McGill University, Montréal, Québec, Canada with Bachelors of Science and D.D.S degrees. I started consulting with small and medium-sized businesses in my native Canada in the mid-80s, and by the mid-90s I was consulting for large corporate clients like Fannie Mae, KPMG Peat Marwick, Chase Manhattan Foreign Trade Division, Hong Kong, Warner Lambert, and a variety of other firms in the Washington, D.C. and New York City area. Later on I worked with clients in Europe, Mexico, and Latin America. I have worked, lived, and traveled all over the world, and I am a trilingual, English, French, and Spanish. Over the years I have been the CTO of various early-stage IT startups, the owner of an IT consulting company, desktop, web, mobile, microcontroller and embedded systems, with clients worldwide, in charge of RD projects to integrate hardware and software solutions in innovative ways, Director of Technology for a business software development company, designer and integrator of electronic hardware, and head developer on a variety of software and technology projects. I have seen many trends come and go, good and bad, and lived through many major industry changes. I do deplore some of the current state of the industry, and applaud some of the new trends. My wife had been telling me for years to write about the industry, as we discussed things a lot, and she always tells me that I was born to teach, or preach when I get excited about a subject. Since my motto has always been to learn something new daily, and that a wasted day is one where you learn nothing new, I decided to share some of that hard-earned, let's call it wisdom for lack of a better term. I know that I am considered as a dinosaur in this business, where you are considered old when you hit 25, but there are some of us old fogies at over twice that are still active and can still provide a full contribution to this or these fields. Besides consulting and custom programming, I also offer electronic hardware integration and design, hardware/software integration, as well as RD services. I provide my services worldwide and can work from my office or yours depending on your project's needs. Schedule of services: teacher, instructor, and e-mentor. Beginner. These beginner-friendly microcontrollers are easy to use and program with just a computer or laptop, a USB cable, and some open-source software. Intermediate. Internet of Things, IoT. Advanced. Robotics, engineering, fashion, medical, environmental, performing arts, etc. Projects, TBD. Research development, TBD. Consulting, TBD. Luke Paquin, 2024. The Electronic Programming Language, Microcontrollers, IoT, Robotics Experts. Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.